In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Delta gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete your purchase smoothly with a few helpful tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Delta Airlines website. Make sure you're on the real site so your payment details are secure. Once you're there, use the site's search bar and type gift card. This will take you to the dedicated gift card page, which is the easiest way to get to the correct product without digging through menus. On the gift card page, choose the e-gift card option with email delivery. This is the fastest method, and it arrives directly in the recipient's inbox. It's perfect for last-minute gifts or when you don't want to wait for physical mail. Next, select the amount you want to purchase. You'll see preset options like $50, $100, $250, and $500. Pick the amount that fits your budget or the occasion. If you're unsure what to choose, think about typical flight costs or how the recipient might use the balance toward a trip. Now enter the recipient's details. You'll need their name and email address, and you can add an optional message to personalize the gift. Take a moment to carefully double-check the email address. A typo here can delay delivery or send the card to the wrong person. If you're buying the card for yourself, simply enter your own email so you can forward it later. Add the gift card to your cart. Before moving on, glance over the cart summary to make sure the amount, delivery method, and recipient details are exactly right. Proceed to payment and choose how you'd like to pay. You can typically use a credit card, a debit card, or PayPal if it's available in your region. Enter your payment information accurately and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. Before you finalize, review the order details one more time. Confirm the amount, the recipient email, any personalized message, and the total charge. When everything looks correct, click Place Order. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. It should arrive shortly and will include your order details and delivery status. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. Save this email for your records in case you need support later. And that's it. Your Delta e-gift card is on its way.